How do I confirm who you are?
Well, follow me home and we'll see.
No, because you're not driving.
Follow me home. Follow me home. I live round the corner.
Right.
I've got my driver's license. I've got nothing.
Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
It was a calm afternoon. A man sat in his parked car, engine off, seatbelt on, phone in hand, without rush, without tension, just silence. But in a flash, that silence shattered. Uniformed footsteps approached, a knock on glass, a question laced with suspicion. Within seconds, his quiet moment turned into a full-blown confrontation. What triggered it? Not a crime, not a call, just presence. In today's story, we uncover how ordinary moments can spiral into fear, not because of what someone did, but because of who holds the power.
Hi, mate.
Engine off for us, mate. Right, I'll be recording you as well, fella.
All right, mate.
Right, your car. Yeah, what's your name?
What for?
Because I need to speak to you about the speed at which you were travelling down that road at, mate. Which
What speed was that?
Well, I don't know, but it was well in excess of the speed limit.
It was 30.
But
I can guarantee
it
you.
wasn't, because had you been travelling at 30, out of all the other cars that have been that have passed tonight, that are legitimately travelling at the speed limit, yours is the only one that's caused my attention due to the speed in which it was travelling at, okay? So I need to confirm who you are, so I need your details, because you're driving a motor vehicle on a road, which gives me a power to stop you, to check you are who you say you are, and you are insured and registered to drive this vehicle, okay?
Can I ask what crime I've committed, please?
You don't need to have committed a crime.
Are you going to introduce yourself first, or?
Yeah, I'm Sergeant Martin Toombs, 2515 from Nottinghamshire Police's Tactical Support Group.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have to have committed a crime. You are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
So, am I under arrest?
No.
Am I being detained?
No.
So I'm free to leave?
No, you're not free to leave at the moment.
You just say I'm free, but you just say
You're not
detained.
under arrest, okay? But you're not going anywhere at the moment until you provide your details, because at the moment I need to clarify who you are. The Road Traffic Act gives me a power to stop any motor vehicle on the road, to stop and make sure that it's insured.
What if I told you that I'm not insured?
Then I deal with you.
If I was not involved in that corporation?
What do you mean not involved in that corporation?
To have a driving licence or to be insured is to be employed. This is my private conveyance. I'm travelling at free will.
What on earth are you going on about? The law, the Road Traffic Act.
Well,
in England,
have I committed a crime?
The Road Traffic Act states
What crime
that
have
to
I
drive
committed?
a motor vehicle on a road.
2515. What crime have I committed, please?
I haven't said you've committed a crime.
So what are you stopping for?
Because you have been stopped. Because you are driving a motor vehicle.
Have you got proof?
On a road. Yes, yeah. You're on my dash cam driving this vehicle.
Right, get the speed limit up. I was on 30 miles an hour.
Right.
I don't break the law for no reason.
The reason I've had cause to stop and speak to you is because, in my opinion, you are travelling in excess of the speed limit. Okay. The fact that I've
Can
stopped
I have
you
your
is
details,
irrelevant.
please? Because you're walking around my car unidentified. I don't know who you are.
It does.
Of course it does.
You're dealing with me, and I've identified.
What's your number, mate?
myself.
What's your number?
Fine, 3825.
We're an oath to the Queen. Okay.
Yeah, which oath? Which oath are you under today?
The oath that we swore
Which oath are you under
it's
today?
It's the oath that we swore to the Queen.
Okay.
And I'm not.
And you're all under the same oath,
No,
yeah?
I can't repeat it to you because I read it out on a piece of paper.
So you can't remember it?
I can't repeat the
So you're not under
exact
oath?
wording of the oath. No, I read it out
Am
on a
I
piece
being
of paper
detained?
21 years
Am
ago.
I being detained?
Yes, until you give me your name and address.
I've not committed a crime.
You don't have to. You are committing an offence under the Road Traffic Act.
I've not committed a crime.
You are committing an offence under the Road Traffic Act by not providing your name and details. So at the moment,
what crime?
At the moment, I
There's
cannot
no victim,
confirm.
mate. There's no victim.
I can't confirm that
Well,
you
there's
are
no proof.
insured to drive this
Go
vehicle.
check it then, mate.
Well, I need to know who you are to see if you're the person that's named
Don't
on
damage
the
my private
insurance.
conveyance, please.
Again?
Don't damage my private
I didn't
conveyance.
damage your private conveyance.
Yes, you did. You're on camera. It made a sound. Don't touch the glass. Don't touch me fucking... Can you get off your...
Right.
Can you get off?
Don't swear at me.
Can you get off my vehicle, please?
Don't swear at me.
Thank you.
Well, you just swore
You've
at me.
blocked me in and
Yes,
you've
I
just
have.
told me, let me speak, you've just told me I've not committed a crime. There's no proof I was doing 30 mile an hour or more. I was doing 30 on the dot.
Right, but you're
I
losing,
seen you turn around.
you're losing track of
Are you
the
bored?
point.
Must
You're
be bored,
losing
aren't you?
track of
I'll have
the
to
point.
you. What's your number, Doc?
The law states...
3267.
The law states that I have a power
I
to
don't
stop
stand under your law, mate.
any motor
I don't stand under your law.
Right.
I do not understand.
If you cannot
I do not
prove
understand.
that you are insured to drive this
That's
vehicle...
it. Go and check it. It's your job, mate, not mine.
Right, but I need
You're
to
gonna
know
give me
who
your
you are.
paycheck.
I need to know who you
Fucking
are.
hell, my food's getting cold, mate. Pissing me off. You've boxed me in like I'm some sort of drug dealer.
Right, I need to know who you are to make sure that it's
Have
your
I
name.
committed a crime?
Right, I don't know
And
at the
which
moment.
crime is it?
I don't know at the moment. You could be driving otherwise than in accordance with a driving licence. You could be driving without insurance. So until I can confirm that, you aren't going anywhere.
No.
So all you need to do is give me your name.
No.
Right, then I've no options but to arrest you and take you to a police
For
station.
what?
Because I can't confirm that you're insured to drive
Check
this
the
motor
plate,
vehicle.
mate. Come on, do your job.
When I check the
You're
plate,
going viral, you know.
that's great.
You're
When I
making a
check-
fool out of yourself.
No, I'm not. You're the
You
one
are.
that's going to be making a fool
Am I
out
being
of themselves.
detained?
Yes, you are.
Under what law?
Right, under the Road Traffic Act. All right, that gives me a power to stop any motor vehicle that's being driven on a road to make sure that the driver
I'm
has got a
travelling
driving licence.
under my free will.
Right, no.
I'm travelling.
That doesn't carry any weight states, the law states that you have a driving license.
Are you going to check the car, see if it's
The
insured
law
or not?
state- yeah,
Are you going to check it?
But I still can't confirm
Well, what are
that's
you doing here
without
for
your
then?
name and address.
What are you doing here?
We need to know who you are.
Back up,
eh?
back up. You back up.
No, I've just drove along here and I've seen.
So what you boxed me in for then if I wasn't detained? You told me that you
Because-
first wasn't detained. Don't delete them two.
Right,
mate,
Can I speak?
I
Don't
can't
delete them
this.
two.
Don't-
I can't delete
Don't
this.
delete them two
Right.
things because I'm going to harness them. I want them.
I
I want
can't
them as
delete
proof.
this. Right.
Gosh, you can't.
No, I
You
can't.
asked me a question,
It
you want
gets
the
docked
answer?
onto a system.
Right, okay. The reason why I boxed you in is because I've stopped,
Just
I've
run it
pulled
through for
next
me.
to you, and you've been argumentative with my sergeant. The car
Because
is
my
still-
food's getting cold
Listen to me.
and I want to go. I'm not being
I'm
detained.
giving you an answer. The engine was still running, okay?
Yeah.
I do not want you driving off, dragging my sergeant down the road. So the best way to prevent that is putting my car.
He's got his gear on. He's got his skull and crossbone thing. He's got
Well,
his muscle as fuck.
that doesn't stop you getting killed, does it?
It must be hard, eh?
Not at all.
So that's the
It's got
reason why
nothing to
I
do with
boxed
being
you in.
hard.
Alright, so you're assuming, are you?
No,
Right.
preventing.
I've not committed a crime, mate, and
Right.
you box me in like I'm some
Chap,
sort of criminal.
chap,
Look,
talk to me,
I know
talk to me for a second.
you're just disheartened
Right.
and fidgety.
I'm
Keep
not.
clicking your pen.
I'm not. I'm just bored.
I haven't committed
Right.
a crime. Well,
I'm-
go and do a fucking job then.
No, don't swear at me.
I've got my food.
Right, and you can go home and eat it while it's warm. But all I need to do is confirm.
Well, now, what
that
if
you've got
you
a
backed
driving-
up and you put your lights off like a goon?
Not until
Like,
I confirm you've got a driving licence and
look at it, it's
insurance.
theatre out here.
Well, who's making a scene? Not us.
You, mate, with your flashing lights
Not
and you click
us.
your pen.
Not us. All I need to do is make sure you've got a driving licence and insurance.
Well, I'm not
and
going
if
to say
and if
that
that
because
confirms,
I ain't committed a crime.
right, then you go to a police station and we'll
Under
deal
what
with it
law?
there. Right, under the Road Traffic
What
Act.
am I being arrested for?
Right, you're under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. I can't confirm that you.
For what?
I
What have I
can't
done?
confirm that you have got a driving licence and insurance
Why
to drive
can't
this
you?
vehicle.
Why can't you?
Because you won't give me your name. So
I
without
don't need
your
to give you
name,
my name.
well, you do to confirm
I haven't
who
committed
you
a
are.
crime.
You're driving a motor vehicle on the road.
Listen,
we
mate,
could
we're
go
going
round
round
and round
in
in circles.
Check
So
the
unless
plate.
you tell me
Check the
who
plate.
you are, then you'll be going to a police station. Then you'll be going to a police station.
Check
It's
the
that
plate, mate,
simple.
I'm bored.
Well, mate, we're not going anywhere. So you're worried about your food. I'm not worried about your food. All right, but I would like you to go home and eat it whilst it's warm.
What voltage are they?
All right, 50,000.
What wattage?
I don't know. It just tells me it's got 50,000 volts.
Yeah, but they're a
I
police
don't,
officer.
I don't know what it is.
25 minutes, has that been counting? No, that's not the right
I
time,
don't
is
know.
it?
No, that's my collar number that you asked me for.
Oh,
It's the
sorry.
same as the one
How
on my
long has that been
shoulder.
recording for now then?
Since I stopped you, probably the same as your phone has.
I know you have to keep your car on, don't you? All the electric inside it goes flat, battery don't keep it going.
No, there's a leisure battery on it, so there's two batteries.
Yeah, but
on
it's
it,
running
not
now, isn't it?
one.
Normally you don't switch them off because it goes flat and it resets all the computers, isn't it?
What's that got to do with anything?
Just giving you some knowledge that I know.
I don't need any knowledge, thank
You're
you.
giving me knowledge I don't need to know, so I'm giving you knowledge that you didn't need to know.
That's absolutely fine. But unless you tell me who you are, you will be arrested under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act.
Why do
because
we
I
need
can't
to?
confirm
You
who
can't
are.
arrest someone for not giving you the name.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
I can because you're not. I need to confirm. I can't confirm that you are licensed and insured to drive this
Well,
motor vehicle.
why don't you
on
check the
road.
plate first and see who's it's registered to, and then
Right.
I'll give you my name. Just so you know the car's insured, and then I'll show you my name. Even though I've got nothing on me.
But I need. So how do I confirm who you are?
Or follow me home and we'll see.
No, because you're not driving.
Follow me
'cause
home.
You
Follow me
can't
home.
drive.
I live round the corner.
Right.
I've got my driving. I've got.
You're making this completely.
You're blocking the
unnecessary,
road.
aren't
You're
you?
making a fool of yourself.
You're
making it look like a
this something
theatre.
that it doesn't need to
You're
be.
going around in circles. I'm not committed a crime. You first said I wasn't detained. Both got that on record.
Yeah.
And then you said I was detained. So how can I have committed a crime since I've been sat here?
You asked if you.
It's
asked
silly,
what,
don't you think?
What speed you were doing, and I don't know. That just.
Well,
gives
then why
me-
have you stopped me for?
The fact because I think you were doing more than what the speed limit was.
Well,
for
can
the
you
road.
prove that? Well, then what you stopped me for then?
Because I've got a power to under law.
I'm telling you, under God's gift, right, I was doing 30 miles an hour.
Well, that's your opinion. My opinion's different.
But I was doing 60.
But nevertheless, I've still got a power to stop you. I've still got a power to stop you to make sure that you've got a driving licence and you're insured to drive this vehicle. So you could have been on your way eating your snap at home now.
You could have checked it now, couldn't
Dead
you?
simple, isn't it? But the fact that they might tell me that the car's got insurance, I still can't confirm whether that's
But
you.
it'll tell
or
you
the
who it's
insurance.
registered to, won't it? Right
Yeah,
then.
but we need your name, don't we?
Not first. I haven't committed a crime, mate. I don't need to give
Wow.
you anything. I'm not contracting with you. I don't contract with you. I don't contract with your
I don't understand.
corporation. I know you don't understand.
I don't understand what
I know
that
you don't
means. I don't
understand.
contract
I know you
with
don't
you.
understand.
I think you just like attention.
No, you
Alright?
do with your flashing lights, mate, and your clicky pen.
You want to stand here making this into something that it's not.
When was the last time you used that?
I can stand here as
When was
long
the
as
last
you
time
need
you
me
used that?
to.
Well, I don't know what my conversation. When was the last time you used it? Taser.
Times in 16 years.
Have you had it done to yourself?
No.
No,
Because
I thought it was for training. I thought it was training purposes.
Are you Tommy, are you?
I am.
Right, have you got anything with your name on?
No.
Failing that, if they've got access to DVLA, if he's got a driving licence, they'll be able to send us a picture.
Have you got a driving licence, Tommy?
Right, we just need
Full one.
him to get a photograph
Full
of
one.
his driving licence and email it to one of us.
I don't do email.
Again?
I don't do email.
I'm not asking him to email it to you, I'm asking him to email it to us. How long you been recording for now?
11 minutes.
11 minutes. Could have been halfway down your pizza.
Listen, mate, you're the joy of my night.
Pizza's quite nice, isn't it? It's nicer than one pizza sometimes.
Sure up. You made me laugh. You look well with the blue flashing lights behind you.
My colour.
Is it?
My favourite colour, blue.
I know it is, yeah. It's for a camera lock. Cool, isn't it? It goes really wide.
It's what?
It goes really wide. Watch, and zooms in. Whee.
Lovely, that, isn't it? Is it? Right, we're not saying you've committed a crime.
So why am I being stopped for?
What I've said is, I don't know how many times I've said it. I know I've said
Honestly.
it a lot because I was here when I said it. You are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
Private conveyance.
It is a motor vehicle.
It's a private conveyance.
In the eyes of the law, it is a motor
It's
vehicle.
not in the eyes of the law, is it? Because I'm not.
Yes, it is.
I don't register with them.
The definition of a motor vehicle, okay,
Yeah.
it's got an engine.
Is
it's got
employed.
steering.
Employed. You have to be employed. Honestly, research it. When you go home in your free time, please
No,
research
honestly,
it.
I've got better things to do.
Yeah, I
in my
know
free
you have.
time.
I know you have. Probably
honestly,
like to watch football. Probably drink a bit of beer.
Yeah, well, rugby actually.
Well,
'cause I
rugby.
prefer rugby to football.
I'll take me after that. Rugby's better than football.
But nevertheless, I didn't see. I've never at any point said you've committed a crime.
So what am I being stopped for then? You're going around in
Again,
circles, mate. You're trying to back yourself
I'll
out.
repeat myself again.
Am I
You
still
are
being detained at the
driving-
minute?
You are driving.
Am I still-
the road traffic act?
And
Okay.
what traffic act
Right,
law have I
listen,
broken
listen,
if I'm
listen.
travelling at my free will?
Listen, you are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
Private conveyance.
Right. This is a road.
This is my private
This-
conveyance.
this
I'm
one
travelling
here
at free will.
Is a road.
I'm exercising
okay?
my rights. It's a I'm travelling.
I have a power to make sure that you have a driving licence and you are insured. Okay. Now we know that the vehicle has got insurance. We're just trying to work out whether you've got a driving licence.
Happy days.
Yeah.
Well, if it's insured, then I would I not be driving without a licence?
Well, lots of people insure vehicles that don't have driving licences.
That's a bit silly, isn't it?
It is a bit silly, isn't it? But nevertheless,
Is it me?
It's dead simple. That Tommy and
Is it me?
And all you've just done is waste nearly 15
Go on then,
minutes
back
of
up.
your
See
life.
you later.
Okay.
Am I free to go now?
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get back in my car and I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of my day. And I
Yeah.
hope you enjoy your pizza.
Yeah,
and
I
it's
hope
still
you
warm.
research what a private conveyance is, and I'm travelling under free will. See ya.
I'm not going to research that.
When the dust settled, one question echoed louder than any siren. Was it ever about justice or just control? A peaceful man, cornered without cause, left to defend rights he never agreed to surrender. And as he drove away, the fear didn't leave. It lingered, because deep down, he knew this could happen again. Not just to him, but to anyone. What does it say about our system when staying silent is seen as guilt and standing still becomes a threat? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.